My name is Sumit. Today I just want to talk to you randomly. There are so many topics are going on in my head, but I just want to share one, two things that I just want to come out with that. Okay. So basically, the scenario is that we all know we are suffering from a corona pandemic. See, everywhere is a worse condition. No single nation is left over. See, there are a lot of controversy regarding China has done those things and all. See, focusing on the point, what we have learned from this scenario, that is more important. हमारे आदरणीय पीएम जी बोलते हैं कि आत्मनिर्भर भारत करेक्ट दैट हैज़ टू बी देयर बट इट विल टेक अ टाइम स्टेप बाय स्टेप करेक्ट दैट इज़ द थिंग वी हैव टू फॉलो. So basically, it has to go by step by step. See, everywhere is right now boycott China products and all kind of things. That's correct. That is our nationality or that is our patriotism should be come out with the anger, come out with the enthusiasm, and that we have to do it. But have you heard about something that we can boycott any product in a single minute? No. There are certain legal steps we have to take forward. See, aggregation is there, definitely has to be there. In even in case of India Pakistan, we also give the attention towards the India. Obviously that comes from the natural, and that has to be there because we love India definitely. But any other nation, people actually love their nation, correct? So that is a different part of the story. What we can do at our level, that we have to follow. For example, let's talk about the mobile phones. If you want to buy any mobile phones at right now, there are many pieces, there are many parts. More than 60% are coming from the China, and 40%, as you go with the statistics, 40% parts actually made in India or somewhere else. Okay, so in India, most probably the companies are known to assemble the mobiles, right? So what is the alternative right now? There is no alternative at this moment. So we are stepping forward to make the alternative. So it has to be go step by steps. In India, mobile process is not happening at the very crucial manner, we can say. But there are many things right now. The young mindset are coming forward for the thing right now. Tell me one thing, this is a very worst condition, how can you take it as a positive way? Definitely you can take it in a positive way. See, 2020 is a worst scenario, you already know that. But don't let's talk about the worst scenario, because it's like bombarding the negative thing on your mind again and again and again. So better we should talk on the positive thing, we should focus on the positive thing, and whatever we lost in this, we should learn from it. That is more important. See, health is wealth, that is more important, and hygiene is the more important. Third is the thing, you have to pay attention to you and your family, that is more important. See, there are many cases, and we already know about the Sushant Singh Rajput, and that has made a remarkable things, and many questions are there in the mind. How? See, I'm not talking about him right now, because whatever happened, it will get justice, definitely. God is there. But I'm talking about in that sense, if somebody is a depression, is not coming out with that, and he's not able to understand what is going on, we just say just talk, right? But you, the person who is into that position, that situation, is not able to do anything, or is not able to come out with ease of that manner. So there are many things we can do, but what happens is that we sometimes ignore the people, and somewhere humanity is lost. See, there are many cases, and if you talk on the different cases, we get confused. So whatever I will suggest or whatever I can do for those things is like, just talk. That is more important. You know what, in India there is a joint family, and every person in the family is look after to each other. And because of the nuclear family, this happens like mom and dad are not at the home, and the child is alone. That also impacts a lot. If the mental stress is there, yeah, if something is a competition is there, so many things are actually takes place into this scenario, we can say. But apart from this, what we can say is that, see, health is important, but mental is also important, equally important is there. So we have to take care of that. See, we have to make the routine. If you have to follow the routine, definitely your health as well as you can it's a well-being, so it's going to improve definitely. So, at the nutshell, what I'm going to talk about is that just stay focused on yourself. I'm not talking about in a selfish manner. Just stay focused on yourself. If you are well, then you can do things well. That is more important, and that is I want to convey. So, thank you.